Canberra. Canberra is Australia's capital city and the capital territory. There are few iconic places in Canberra for anyone can visit. One of that places is Old Parliament House. This beautiful building has been operational since 1927 until 1988. Since 2009, after it has been out of operational, this building is used as a museum and it's been used as a venue for lectures, concerts and also for temporary exhibitions. Then we went to see the current Parliament House. This magnificent building is considered as one of the largest buildings of Southern Hemisphere. It has designed to last 200 years with over 4,500 rooms. And the size of this building is about 250,000 square meters. This has taken about 7 years to complete the construction, and this giant building is now operational since 1988 at Capitol Hill. There is an underground vehicle park for all the visitors and even for the tourist groups to park vehicles and the buses. After visiting the Parliament House, we went through the city and we passed the Anzac Parade, which is a significant road in Australian capital Canberra. This is used for ceremonial and Australian major military memorials. Then we passed the Anzac War Memorial Building, which is the National War Memorial and Museum, dedicated to all Australians died during the war. This building includes 5 buildings and a sculpture garden. One of another iconic places to visit at Canberra is Mount Ainslie Lookout. This magnificent place, you can see Parliament House, the old Parliament House, Anzac Parade, War Memorial and the entire Canberra city. We recommend you to come and visit this Australian capital city and especially this Mount Ainslie Lookout.